Welcome everyone. Today are going to perform PSK modulation or the pulse shift phase shift keying modulation and demodulation experiment. So you can see here uh, these are the message signals from that means G0 to D3. These are message signals. Okay, from any one of the point we have to take the message signal. We are taking here message signal from D0. Okay, so you can see here so the DSO. You can see here this is the DSO and we are connecting the message signal with the DSO. You can see that this is the coaxial cable. Okay, this is the coaxial cable and I'm connecting with this. And we need another point, that is ground. Okay, so for the message signal we have done the connections. Now we will press default setup. Okay, in the DSO we are going to press default setup to see the waveform. See here, this is the default setup. You can see here we have to adjust a little bit the position, the Y shift. See, this is the message signal, the encoded 1010 form. This is the message signal. Now we have to see the carrier waveform. So I have to connect this point here, the carrier block. You can see here the carrier block. Okay, this is the carrier signal. We have to connect this point here, the carrier signal. Okay, and the ground point will be remain same. Okay, now we will be again pressing the default setup on the DSO. See, this is the carrier waveform. I mean, this is a continuous signal, continuous carrier signal. Okay. See the modulated waveform, and yeah, we are connecting the message signal into the, you can see here this is the PSK modulated block, and it has data input and carrier input. We have to give those signals individually. Okay, the message signal is connected and we are giving this point here in the data input. Okay, and the carrier we will be giving here the carrier signal from the carrier block. We are going to connect this point here in the PSK modulated block in the carrier input. Okay, now we will be having the PSK modulated output. See here, this is the PSK modulated output. From this point we are going to see the final modulated output. Okay, see, this is our phase shift keying modulated output. Okay, you can see here where it is 1, it is like this, and where it is 0, it's changing its phases. Okay, according to the message signal when it is 1 and 0. Okay, now we have to see the demodulated output. For this we have to give the PSK modulated input into the see, this is the PSK demodulated block. okay, and it has 2 points as the previous. For the PSK modulated block, it has same 2 points, PSK modulated input and carrier input, okay. We are going to give the PSK modulated output to the PSK modulated block as input, PSK modulated input, okay. And the carrier we are having from the carrier block, we are going to transfer it into the PSK demodulated block, okay, here, okay, carrier input, okay. Now the final output, see the connections, okay. This is the message signal, this is the message signal, this is the PSK modulated output, and the yellow wire is the carrier signal, okay. And this is the ground, okay. And here from this point we are going to get the PSK demodulated output, that means the original message signal, okay. Now see the DSO. See, it is a little bit changed because of the connections and the circuits. The original we are getting the approx message signal, okay. The approx message signal, you can see the frequency here, 1.19 frequency, 1.19 kilohertz frequency here, okay. The peak to peak voltage is 5.04 volt, and the mean or the amplitude is 2.08 volt, okay. So that's all about the phase shift keying or the PSK modulation and demodulation trainer kit, okay. Thank you.